In today's video, we will troubleshoot permission denied error while we are trying to connect our remote Linux server via SSH or PuTTY. There are two terminals on my screen. The terminal on the right hand side is my remote Linux server, and on the left hand side I have opened PuTTY application. So first let me find the IP address for my Linux server. So you can see here I have logged into my Linux server locally as user2. So I will try to find the IP address, IP space -a, and this is my IP address. So I will copy this and I will paste it on my PuTTY, and then via port 22, which is the default SSH port, I will connect to my remote Linux server. So I will hit open, and then it is asking for the login credentials. So I want to log in as user2, so I will type user2 and enter. Now it is asking for the password. So I will provide the password and hit enter. So say it says access denied. However, I have provided the correct password. I will try it again. Again, it says access denied. So this is the error I am getting while I'm trying to log in from PuTTY to my Linux server. So before we troubleshoot this error, we need to understand the root cause for this issue. Because if we do not understand the root cause, the exact reason, it will be very difficult for us to resolve this issue. The error I'm getting is access denied, which means there is an authentication issue. And the best place to start troubleshooting is by looking at the log files. On my Linux server, the exact location for the log file is _var, then _log folder. So I will navigate to the directory for the log. So cd var, then log. Hit enter. And here I will do ls-ltr. So here you can see there are various log files are there, right? So you can see this is .log. These are all log files. So now I need to understand which log file I need to refer for this kind of issue. So as I already mentioned, this is an authentication error. So I need to find out the authentication related logs. So you can see here there is a log file named auth.log. So I need to refer this log file. So what I will do is I will do tail, then -f, and then auth.log. So I will hit enter. Okay, so it says permission denied. So I need to put sudo. So I will do sudo tail -f auth.log, and I will hit enter. So it is asking for the sudo password. So I will provide the password. And here you can see these are all the logs in this auth.log file. So what I will do is I will exit this PuTTY session, and then again I will try to log in, and then we will capture the log file. So now I will log in again. So I will hit enter, and I will just resize my PuTTY. Okay. So now this time we will again try to log in, and we will see the log file. So here I will type user2 and then hit enter. Now see, the moment I hit enter, here in the log file, it says user2 from, this is IP address not allowed because not listed in allow users. So this is the error it shows in the log file. So next what we need to do is we need to open this allow users file, and we need to see whether my user2 is allowed or not for a remote SSH login. I will hit Control C to exit my log files, and I will clear my screen, and then I need to navigate to the folder cd etc ssh, and then hit enter, then ls-ltr. So here you can see there is a file called sshd_config. So I will open this file. So I will type sudo and I will use vim editor sshd_config. I will hit enter, and in this file I will just scroll down to the bottom. Okay, so here you can see this allow users. So only root and user1 is mentioned here, which means only these two users are allowed for a remote SSH login to this server. So I will edit this file, and then I will press tab, and I will mention our user2. Okay, and then I will hit escape button and colon wq in small and exclamatory to save this file. Okay, now after I change this, I need to start my SSH services. So what I will do is sudo systemctl restart sshd. Hit enter. So let's see whether this time we will be able to log in as user2 via PuTTY or not. So let me go to the log files, var log. I will clear it and ls-ltr, and then again I will do sudo then tail-f and auth.log. I will hit enter, and then this time we will try to log in and we will monitor the log files. So on the login page, I will type user2 and I will hit enter. So just see on the log files, this time it has not thrown any error. So it is asking for the password. So I'll provide the password, hit enter, and here we go. Now we have successfully logged in via PuTTY to my Linux server as user2. So this time, if you look into the log files, we can see it says accepted password for user2 from this IP address and on this port SSH2. So which means after we added our user on the sshd_config file and on the allow user section, we are successfully able to log in.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to create and bring more such useful content. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.